Now I want to show you the garden in the back side of my house. I said to you that I like the garden. I said garden? No, the forest. I love this forest. Oh, Gizmo is coming. He have to go over this tree and I have to go through the water. Okay, here we go. Lucy is coming with us. Little waterfall. The sound is nice. Can you hear the sound? Oh, nice. Okay. Nice that the sun is shining. Everybody is here. A little sea from the waterfall. There's a waterfall too in the back. A little nicer one. A little more waterfall. When you go there inside the water, you are very hot. I was only one time in the sea for a bath and you can't get a breath. It's so cold. Like, this is nice. Okay. There's one more. Okay, this is my favorite waterfall. The stones where the water is running down needs many times to get so like this. One moment. Nice. Gletscher, little gletscher in Germany. Okay, I love this. Can you see? Nice. Very, very nice. Okay, everything is upstairs. I haven't a good condition. I'm out of breath again. Waterfall. Okay. So, the sun is shining nice. Water, 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 water. This place is where I am playing very often when I was a child. Okay, now the next 20 minutes to go is not very interesting, so I make a break. See you later, alligator.